Check out this Ram 2018 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed auto-wise and AS69 RCHD included, front armrest with cup holders, 3.73 axle ratio, power and remote entry group included, premium vinyl door trim with map pocket remote keyless entry power black trailer tow mirrors front 1 touchdown power windows exterior mirrors with heating element power locks exterior mirrors courtesy lamps exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, rear view auto dim mirror with display integrated voice command with Bluetooth, electric shift on the fly transfer case, tires LT235/80R17 EBSW all season, STD, chrome appearance group included, bright wheel skins bright grille bright front bumper, gross